Hi, I'm Alexis Cruz from MG Libis. If you're planning to switch to hybrid or electric, may limited promo kami ngayon dito sa MG. Available ngayon ang MG3 Hybrid Plus, ZS Hybrid Plus, and HS Hybrid Plus. Fuel efficient, no need to charge. Meron din tayong big discounts ngayon sa mga EV lineup natin. ZS EV Lux, MG4 EV Standard, MG4 Lux, and MG4 X-Power. At hindi magpapahuli si Marvel R. 100% electric and may free wall charger ka pa. For families and friends, open ngayon ang limited reservation for upcoming G50 PHEV o plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Sa halagang 1,000 pesos only, makakakuha ka ng 10,000 discounts and wall charger. Pero pag hindi mo napareserve ngayon to, wala na. Wala nang pag-asa. Parang ex mo, wala na. Limited reservation only, kaya magpa-reserve ka na. Again, this is Alexis Cruz, your sales consultant from MG Libis. Message me for quotation and for reservation assistance. And don't forget to like and follow my Facebook page for the updated promos. Thank you. God bless.